Hi everyone, this is just a quick refresher on how to take an accelerated reader quiz. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you're using the correct website. Each school has their own identification number, and if you just type in accelerated reader into Google, it might take you to a different school. So you need to make sure that you're using 341236 and the link for our website is on the literacy learning space. Once you've got the right website, click on I'm a student and use your login details. Once you've logged in, you want to go to the orange button, Accelerated Reader, and click that. And that'll take you to your own Accelerated Reader homepage. So first of all, if you need to check what ZPD you have to make sure that you're reading the correct level, if you click on the Progress tab in the top right, you can check your ZPD here. So this student should be reading a book between 4.9 and 11.6. Remember, at the start of the year, you need to be towards this end of your ZPD, and every time you get 100%, you can move up 0.5 towards the top end of your ZPD, because you want to make sure that you're getting at least 80, 90, or 100% on your quizzes. So once you know your ZPD, you've got a book that's in the right range, and you've read it, and you want to take your quiz. If you go back on to the reading page, there's three ways you can find your book to take a quiz. So the first one is just searching the name of the book. And that brings up the books by using the title. You can also use the quiz number, which is on the inside page of the book cover. So for this one, it's 200090. And that'll bring up the book that way. You can also search by using the author's name. Sometimes something that throws students off is the book cover is different. There are loads of different book covers for every book. As long as it's the same title, the same name, the same quiz number, it's still the same book that you've read. Once you've found your book, then you need to click Take Quiz. It'll then ask you if you were read to, if you read with someone, or if you read by yourself. So if you've read this with someone in school, or if someone's read this to you, select those. But more often than not, you'll have read by yourself, so click I read by myself. And then once you've done that, start quiz. You'll then be taken to a page that looks like this. You'll be asked anything from 10 to 20 questions, depending on the level of the book. Read the question and select A, B, C, or D. Once you've done, you can just press Finish Quiz. And once you've taken your quiz, you can check what your percentage was on your bookshelf. So if you click on your bookshelf button in the top right corner, you can see all the quizzes that you've taken and all the books that you've read and the percentages that you got on each of the books. If you have any questions, please ask your tutors.